Hello, my name is Krishna and I'm a PGCE student in the University of Cumbria. It's been 6 months already and I'm absolutely loving it. The course itself is very intense and comprehensive. What I mean by that is the course is tailored to prepare you for the real world of teaching. So we have 3 different placements throughout the year, which is part of the curriculum. And so it's a very hands-on and practical course. The University of Cumbria, I can say, is one of the best when it comes to educational courses. I can say that because they've been offering PGCE, which is the course that I'm doing, along with the Bachelor's of Education, right from the early 1960s. In fact, in one of my placements, I actually met a teaching assistant who did her PGCE from this very same university about 3 decades ago. So that's the kind of heritage and the legacy we are talking about. The professors are absolutely phenomenal, very down to earth and always there to support you. And finally, the Lancaster campus. It's a beautiful campus, a lot of greenery, mountains and rivers. You can always go out for a quiet walk, meet a lot of good people. The people around here are especially very warm, very welcoming, and always trying to make you feel at home. So I'm absolutely loving it. It's a beautiful course, beautiful people around, nice place. Thank you.